Hello everyone, welcome to Custard Squad. So today in this video I will show you how you can create a video highlight in Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So first drag and drop your footage in timeline. Suppose in this footage I want to highlight this duck. So just go to effects and here type HLS color balance. Apply this on footage and on left side you can see some settings. So first go to lightness and from here you can set lightness according to your wish like this. So I set this on 30 and next you see here ellipse mask, polygon mask. So click on this ellipse mask and by dragging you can set this. When you set this on anything, then again go to settings and here you can see inverted. Just check this. Now you can see this duck in this footage highlighted. So like this you can highlight anything in any video. So if we go again in settings, so here you see mask feather. So from here if you set this like this, you can increase or decrease the mask feather. If you want to highlight any person's face, so I will show you an other footage in which I highlight so this is second footage and here you see 3 persons. So let's suppose I want to highlight his face, this man. So again go to effects and here type HLS. In bottom you see color balance, then apply this on this footage. Again go to settings, lightness, set the lightness according to your wish. Then go to ellipse mask, click on this. So after clicking ellipse mask, set this mask according to his face. Then again go to settings and here you see inverted. Check this box and you see this man face in this video is highlighted. And if I play the video, then this highlighted circle is not properly moved with this man. So here you see some play buttons. This is track selected mask backward and this is track selected mask forward. Because my header line at the start of this footage, so I select this track selected mask forward and click this button. So tracking start. If you track, then Premiere Pro automatically detect this person face and this highlighted mask automatically move with this person in whole footage. So just wait for tracking. So tracking is complete. Now drag this header at the start of footage and play the video. And now you see this highlighted circle move with this man. in whole video. This highlighted circle automatically detects this person. Hope you guys understand how you can highlight anything in Premiere Pro. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.